Mike and Aline, congratulations. Thank you so much for having us. I don't even want to know what's going to happen tonight. Cheers to you, and I'm going to drink to that, and then we're all going to
You're going to be wrong for the rest of your life. Be happy.
Cheers to you. We love you guys so much. Thank you again.
Thanks for having us in your cast.
Cheers.
Bienvenue à tous. Welcome all of you, and welcome my English-speaking companions, who have come here from near and far to bear witness and celebrate this joyous occasion, Mike and Aline's marriage to one another. While today I will ceremonially bind you together, the significance of the pledge you make to each other today will largely be invisible to the world.
My advice is to be happy all your life together. I love you.
Do you have a message for your bride?
I already said she's always right. So this is on video footage of me saying that. So.
Just remember that I always love you, even when you piss me off. I love you.
To carry on.